Hello everyone, Mike Sherry. I'm with Paul Sherry RVs, and I'm excited to show you this Avalanche behind me today. This is a very unique fifth wheel, a lot of living space and a ton of storage space, probably more storage space than I've ever seen in any type of RV. So let's just jump right in and take a look. This is an all-new 2020, but this is actually a 2020 and a half. So I've been talking about this for a couple months now. This time of year, which is the fall, the next model year actually comes out. So although this is still titled as a 2020, this is exactly what the 2021s are going to look like. So what that translates to, if you're looking to save money but want the newest of the new, jump on one of these 2020 and a halves. So great deal, great value. Keystone Avalanche is one of Keystone's flagship fifth wheels. It's a full profile fifth wheel, definitely in the 1-ton truck category, weighing around 13,600 pounds. This boasts quite a few slides, and we'll cover each of those slide out rooms today. A massive front cap. Really a nice fifth wheel if you're looking to full-time or camp for an extended period of time. This is the one for you. And if you've got a lot of stuff, check out this storage. Keystone is one of the largest manufacturers of towable RVs, and they have come out with the industry's best warranty, and they say that right on their sticker, and they're not really bragging. I've been doing this business for the last 10 years, and this is by far the strongest warranty that a manufacturer has ever come out and done. And what that tells me, and I've seen it over the years, is Keystone saying, look, we know our quality's good. We're going to triple the warranty of all the other manufacturers. And I think they did a little bit more than that. Some items are covered up to 25 years on these Keystone products. So if you wanted more information about that, I did a YouTube video about that. Just Google Keystone Crossroads 3-year warranty and we should pop up. Two 30-pound propane bottles. This has the 6-point automatic electronic leveling system, starting with the two front jacks up here, and then there's two jacks in front of the tires and two jacks in the back of the two axles. Good pass-through storage here. And a nice clean compartment here. This is going to be your winterization and water hookup compartment. Notice how clean it is. This is also insulated and heated, so this camper can be used in the wintertime. It's been rated for that, so if you are looking to camp in the wintertime, as long as it's not extremely freezing, this should be just fine for you. The gate valves are up in the insulated and heated compartment. Here's two of your jacks. The other two are behind those two axles there. So 3 slides on this side, 2 on the other, makes for a total of 5. Some more storage compartments here. And look at this. That is really deep. I think it's 8 foot deep, if I remember right. But check this out. This is something we see on diesel pushers. So that comes out. Let me just show you that. So you can fit a kayak back there. I had a guy tell me one time, well, I could put a couple caskets in there. I'm not sure what he was doing with a couple caskets, but if that's your thing, hey. But definitely a kayak or 2 in there. Big compartment. 2 slides on this side. The fiberglass on this is a gel coat finish. So a gel coat finish means that they've put basically a nicer clear coat on top of this fiberglass. That way you don't see the individual fibers. And you might say, Mike, what's the big deal about that? The big deal is when you go to clean this camper. Having the gel coat finish, boy, it makes the dirt just really roll off nice and easy. Or where you see the individual fibers, it seems like the dirt kind of gets stuck in those fibers. So it's nice having that gel coat finish. 4 entry step Lippert secure step to get up into here. Again, this is the 376 RD Keystone Avalanche. Rear den, they call it. Coming in, we walk into the kitchen. It's actually a kitchen. So a lot of trailers and fifth wheels I show, the kitchen and living room are kind of like one and the same. This is a separate kitchen, which I like. It's more what I call a 3-stage living. You have your kitchen here. Nice freestanding dinette, super tall slide out room. So I'm 6 foot tall. That's at least another foot taller than me. So nice, big, comfortable feel, big, tall windows in here really adds to the ambience of this fifth wheel. All the countertops on this are going to be a rock type material. All stainless steel appliances from your microwave to the big Furrion oven. And notice down there, it even has the pot and pan drawer. We don't see that too often. LP gas, 3 burners up top here. A lot of countertop space. Plenty of outlets to plug your different appliances, coffee makers, and things of that sort in. Has the residential style Samsung refrigerator, double door up top, single drawer freezer down below, just like what you'd have in your house. The island here features a lot of countertop space, a lot of cabinet space, 4 drawers that pull out, and also the biggest sink I have ever seen in the industry. Split sink, nice big. Also has these covers that are really heavy that go over top there. I got that one in and the other one sitting right there. So if you're not using that space, great buffet, great eatery spot. All right, we're going to do this a little bit non-traditional. After I finish showing you the kitchen here, look at this pantry. I don't know if you caught that, but that light turns on automatically there as you open the door. A lot of shelves. More countertop space here. Again, power outlet, has a nice tile backsplash there. We're going to check out the bathroom and the bedroom, and then we're going to jump into the living room. So coming up the steps, it has the 2 wood steps, which are nice to have there. And a lot of buttons all neatly compacted back here, as you can see. These are going to be your slide controls, light controls, monitor panel. Sorry for zooming through that. And then through this door here, all solid doors too in these Avalanches. They're nice and heavy. Is your bathroom. So it comes with a nice stand-up shower. I like the shower surround because it's all one piece. So the entire thing is one molded fiberglass piece. Kind of a clean freak, and it's a lot easier to clean those. Stepping back here, we have your medicine cabinet, some extra bath towel storage off to the left, a nice sink, and a nice stool. Okay. That bathroom is actually accessible from the bedroom as well. There's a door that leads right into that. The bedroom here is going to feature a king bed, a nice king bed. Good lighting all throughout here. Up front here, we have a mirrored closet doors. This is going to allow a lot of hanging closet space. Goes all the way back in there. And then in this cabinet here, we have some more storage, more hanging storage. That shelf goes all the way across as well. But this also is prepped for a washer dryer. 4 drawers. Excuse me. So a lot to talk about here. Coming back to the rear of the fifth wheel, have our living space. So this features 3 couches, 2 of which are sleeper sofas. So I have a sleeper sofa off here to the left and a sleeper sofa off here to the right. Yes, both can pull out and sleep at the same time. So you can sleep, just on these 2, 4 people. Queen size sleeper sofas, really nice, really comfortable. And then what I'm standing beside is this here. This is your Thomas Paine theater seats. Those will actually recline. They have cup holders, their heat, their massage. They do a lot of cool things right there on the controls for that. Nice big television. It's really hard to do a fifth wheel like this justice. So for more information, jump to our website. I'll post links below that'll have pictures, more information, the current pricing and availability of this and other similar fifth wheels. So make sure you check out those links below. As always, finance is available with approved credit. We've had great success getting awesome rates for most, if not all, of our customers. So check that out there. And thanks for watching. Let us know what you think. And ultimately, just have a great rest of your day.